going on, everybody? So here we are 5 years later. I still have the Ram Powerwagon and the Softopper on top that you saw me put on more than 5 years ago. My truck itself is still in mint shape. I have less than 30,000 miles on this thing 5 years later, but that's because I have a lot of other vehicles and they all get a little piece. Many hands make light work. Well, right off the bat you can see that this thing is, it looks like new. It's in perfect condition. And I'll tell you, I live in Massachusetts and we've had some rough winters. I have had heavy wet snow on top of this thing and it has held up. I've had this truck going, well, I won't say how fast, but let's just say it holds up at speed, no problem. All of the Velcro on this thing is still perfect. You can't really see that window too well, but that window right there is perfect. All of the snaps held up. I got a little dust that I should probably wash. I probably should have washed my truck before I did the video, but the only problem that I have, and this is not Softopper's fault, is that plastic window. Like any plastic window in a salty, wintry environment, has it's got a little bit of, it's faded out. And in another video I will show you how to clean that up and get that back to almost new condition. The only thing I did that I think is kind of cool, you might want to try this out, is instead of using Velcro strips that you have to paste onto your truck, or using the snaps and drilling into the metal of your truck and whatnot, what I did, and you can see the marks because I need to wash this thing, all I did, and I'm going to shut this one-handed so you can see. That's it. I just did that one-handed. All right. If you have the Velcro strip here, that's not so easy to do. All right. So what I did is I took the Velcro strip and I stuck it on. You can see there's the Velcro right in there. And I put neodymium, is that how you say it? I just put some high-powered magnets in between, all down here. As you can see, they stick right down, and that is more than enough. That holds at speed. It doesn't lift, and everything's cool. And I didn't have to drill. I didn't have to stick an ugly piece of Velcro onto my truck. All I need to do really is give that thing a bath, give it a wash. But yeah, that's the way to do it, you guys. Just grab that Velcro strip or a Velcro strip and Velcro in some neodymiums. You can see I put them at a distance from each other because you get them too close, they're going to want to stick to each other. But these are perfect. They stick right down, nice and tight, and that was great. Let's open it up. When you want to go to open it, what I do is I pop this off. You can see my zipper unzips, no problem. Okay, and then what I like to do, see, this is again one-handed. What I like to do is just pop that off. I pull this out and I let that flap go. Otherwise, this Velcro will stick to this Velcro and make things a little difficult. Again, I'm doing this all one-handed. Zippers up. Pop that loose, let that flap go. That's undone. Then you can just lift that right up. I throw it right up top there, and I'm in the back of my truck. And in the back, you can see I still have the bed rug down. And the inside of my bed, zoom back here, my bed is perfect as the day it was born. I have 0 scratches. This thing has been great. It's nicely padded. It's got a nice grip to it so things don't slide real easy. You can slide them, but you can see it's got a nice grip to it. Other than some dust that, again, I need to give this thing a serious bath. I took this down a dirt road for camping and it just coated the inside, but the inside of my bed has been absolutely perfect. I have no scuffs, I have no scratches. That's dirt. I know it looks like a scratch, it's not, it's just some dirt. And here's the inside. It did not leak, it did not rust. Everything's good. Look at that window. It needs a little bath, but you can still see through that one. The only window that you can't see through is this back one. The outside of it just, like you get a convertible car. with a plastic window, that's going to happen. And again, in another video, I'll show you how to go about taking care of that. All right, you can see my paint underneath is perfect, dusty but perfect. Let me wipe that off so you can see that. Look it, shiny and minty like the day it was born. All right, so this has been excellent protection. The Bedrug XL. All right, got a little dirt and that's it. No scratches. It didn't do like drop-in bed would do. I didn't have to spray something on there that's permanent. And yeah, it's been absolutely terrific. It stays tight. You can see it's still tight as a drum, and I haven't really done any adjustment, you know. I mean, only if I take it down, put it in convertible mode, which is rare. In short, this Softopper has been perfect. I've had no problems with it. The thing looks like new still. If I give it a bath, it looks even better. I have not had any issues with this whatsoever. So if you're thinking of getting a Softopper, and again, I am not paid by Softopper, there's no endorsements here. It's just a product that I have enjoyed. It has been terrific, and you will not be dissatisfied with one of these. You will also not be dissatisfied with a Bedrug XL. Now this Bedrug XL, you can actually get the side pieces too if you think that you might be putting things in here that might scuff your wheel wells or whatever. They make this for the sides too. I might get it, because I'll tell you, I am careful because I don't want to scratch it, so I'm careful to keep things, you know, surrounding my wheel wells without actually hitting them. You know, you never know if something moves or slides. You don't want to scratch things up. You can get them, and I think I might. If I do, I'll be certain to make a video for you. But this is just a quick video to show you that the Softopper, 5.5 years later, in severe weather areas like Massachusetts, has held up. It will hold up, and I think I got a lot more years left in this thing.